everyone! Today you'll be working in groups to create your own 3D model of the solar system. Using materials like styrofoam balls, cardboard, paint, string, glue, and markers, your team will build the sun and every planet. You'll work in groups of 4 to 5 students, and each person has an important role. For example, the leader keeps everyone focused and on task. The researcher gathers useful facts about the planets. The builder assembles the model. The painter and decorator adds color, detail, and makes everything look neat. Remember, once you finish your main role, you can help someone else. Start by talking with your group and making a plan. Decide the order of the planets and think about how large each one should be. Next, build the sun and planets. Then attach them with string or cardboard so your model stands or hangs properly. After that, paint each part carefully and add labels for the sun and every planet. When your model is finished, your group will present it to the class and share what you learned and reflect on the process. Remember to cooperate, support one another, and do your best in your role. Make your solar system colorful, clear, and creative. Most of all, have fun exploring the planets together. This is your chance to learn, create, and shine as teammates.